It was a family day out, and Caillou couldn't wait to explore the Botanical Garden.
Wow! Look at all the colors! Come on, Rosie, let's go take a look around. Pretty!
Well, Rosie, that's a sunflower.
And it's yellow like the sun, see? Sunflower, yellow. Okay, and this one here, it's white, just like the moon. What's it called, Mommy?
Well, that one... That one's a moonflower.
Wow! Okay, so sunflowers are yellow, and moonflowers are white.
That one's a rose.
It's a rose. A red rose. Roses are red.
And violets are blue.
Sunflowers are yellow. And...
Buttercups, too.
Moonflowers are...
white.
Tree leaves are...
green.
Aren't these the greatest colors you've ever seen?
What is that?
That's pollen, Caillou. It can make people sneeze.
Yellow! Good job, Rosie. Come on, Rosie. Let's go and play in the maze and see if we can find the fountain. Oh no, I think I'm lost. I need to get to the middle of the maze. There's a fountain there. Aha! Now this way. Mommy! Daddy! I found you! I thought I was lost.
Well, you did a good job finding us. How did you manage that?
I listened out real hard for the sound of the fountain and followed the sound to the middle of the maze.
I'm proud of you, Caillou. That was really thinking on your feet. See, Caillou? Sometimes you might feel lost, but you're actually just on an adventure. Caillou loved exploring the Botanical Garden, but it was more fun when he was with his family and not lost in the maze. Today, Caillou was visiting the petting zoo with Mommy, Daddy, and Rosie.
It's okay, Rosie. They're just sheep. Sheep are soft and friendly. You see? Yuck! Go kisses. Thank you. Hey, get out of here, you! Buzz off! Go and get your own ice cream! Ow!
What's the matter, Caillou? Oh, you dropped your ice cream. It's okay. We can get you another one.
It's not my ice cream. It's my nose. A greedy bee stung me.
Oh dear, poor Caillou. Here, this will make you feel better.
Why did it sting me, Mommy?
Well, it probably thought you were trying to hurt it, Caillou.
I did try and hit it, but it was trying to eat my ice cream.
Caillou, you shouldn't try and hit bees. They're very special little creatures. Come on, let's follow him and see where he goes.
Is that his house?
That's right, Caillou. A bee's house is called a hive.
That's a big house for just one little bee.
Actually, thousands of bees live in there. Listen carefully and you can hear them.
It sounds like an airplane. What are those ones doing?
They're collecting nectar, which they use to make honey. Bees love sweet things.
Like ice cream?
Exactly. That bee didn't want to hurt you. It just wanted to share some of your ice cream.
Bees should learn to say please.
Come on. I know something fun we can do to cheer you up.
Look! A horsey!
Almost, Caillou. That's a donkey.
Excuse me, can me and my sister ride the donkey?
Sure you can.
Whoa, this is high up.
Here, these will keep you safe.
Hold on to your sister, Caillou. We don't want either of you falling off.
Wow, he must be very strong to carry both of us.
That's right. Donkeys may be small, but they are very strong.
Like me. This spaghetti is delicious. King Caillou, we have some bad news. What is it?
Over there, we saw a giant shape in the sky.
Maybe it was a bird? It looked like a dragon.
A dragon? It was coming this way.
There it is!
It's a green fire breather.
How can we defeat it?
It will be very hard. Dragons are always angry and very hungry. What do they eat? Teddy bears and spaghetti.
Oh no! We should go and hide Sir Teddy in the dungeon. He'll be safe in there. Look! There it is again! It's working out how to attack! Quick! Everyone grab a sword and shield! Okay. Is everyone ready?
Ready.
Charge! Go away! Get your own spaghetti!
Hey, what's going on?
We're trying to scare the dragon away.
Caillou, look at poor Gilbert. He looks really scared. I don't think he understands you're playing a game.
But he's the dragon, Mommy. He wants to eat Teddy and all our spaghetti.
I've got an idea. Why don't you ask Rexy if he'd like to join in and play the part of the dragon?
That's a great idea, Mommy.
There, Rexy is much more like a dragon.
Oh no! This dragon
Careful, Sir Teddy! He wants to eat you! Sir Teddy, you saved us! We did it! Sir Teddy and our spaghetti are safe!
I thought you brave knights deserved a treat.
Thanks, Mommy.
Another dragon!
This is Gilbert, and he's a very friendly cat. Aren't you, Gilbert?
And see, he likes eating ice cream, not Teddy's.
Today, Mommy and Daddy had taken Caillou and Rosie to enjoy a fun-filled day at the water park. Caillou was being a good older brother and was teaching Rosie how to swim.
Okay, Rosie. All you have to do is kick your legs really fast, like this. Now you try.
Great job, Rosie.
Caillou, you're a very good teacher.
Look! Those children are fighting a pirate ship.
Looks like they could use your help, Caillou.
Captain Caillou to the rescue!
Hold on, Caillou. You need to put some sunscreen on first.
But I want to go and battle the pirates.
You won't be able to fight the pirates if you get a sunburn.
Okay, Mommy. But hurry! We can't let the pirates take over the water park. It's cold.
Hold still, Caillou. Perfect.
What? Meow! Mommy, I can't fight the pirates looking like this. They'll laugh at me.
Oh, okay, Captain Caillou. Come here. There. Now you're ready to go and save the day.
Come on, Rosie. Let's go sink the pirate ship. Ready? Aim, fire!
Yar, matey!
Watch out, Caillou. The pirates are fighting back.
Don't worry, I'll get him.
Arr, man overboard!
Whoa, we did it!
Yay!
We did it, Rosie! We stopped the pirates from taking over the water park! Yar!
After all that excitement, I bet you two could do with a rest. How about we take a ride down the lazy river?
That sounds like fun.
This is very relaxing.
It's a bit slow. Can it go any faster?
Why don't we have a race to that palm tree, Caillou?
Okay.
Here I come, Caillou. Whoa!
I did it! I won!
Well done, Caillou.
Why is the line moving so slowly?
Be patient, Caillou. This is the biggest slide at the water park. It'll be worth the wait.
The biggest? Can't we go on the second biggest slide?
Don't worry, Caillou. There are 2 slides next to each other so we can go down together.
Oh, okay. Are you ready, Mommy?
I'm a little scared. Could you hold my hand?
Of course, Mommy. I'll protect you.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Go!
See, Caillou? That wasn't so bad, was it?
Thanks for holding my hand, Caillou. You're very brave.
That was splash-tastic!